A rain shower head turns a routine shower into something you actually look forward to. But not all of them deliver the wide, even coverage the name promises. And some struggle badly in homes with low water pressure. Here are 5 of the best options available right now. 1. SparkPod High Pressure. The SparkPod is the most reviewed dedicated rain shower head in its category on Amazon, and its performance at a water-efficient flow rate is what earns it the top position. Most rain shower heads that reduce flow below 2.0 gallons per minute compensate by narrowing the spray pattern, which defeats the purpose of a wide rainfall design. The SparkPod distributes its 1.8 gallons per minute output across 90 individual silicone nozzles spread evenly across a 6-inch face. That distribution is what Consumer Reports confirmed. Strong, it has full body coverage at a flow rate that uses approximately 28% less water per shower than a standard 2.5 gallons per minute unit. For a household of 4 taking daily showers, that flow reduction translates to a measurable drop in both water consumption and water heating costs over a year, without the shower feeling weaker or narrower. The 90 nozzles are self-cleaning silicone rubber. Calcium and limescale deposits, the primary cause of reduced pressure in hard water areas, are dislodged simply by rubbing a finger across the face of the head during the shower. No chemical descaling treatments required. The reversible flow restrictor allows the unit to switch to 2.5 gallons per minute if maximum pressure is preferred. Tool-free installation onto any standard half-inch shower arm takes under 1 minute. What's with over 59,000 verified Amazon ratings and endorsements from Bob Villa and Consumer Reports, this is the most credible all-round value in the list. 2. Moen S6320. The Moen Velocity is the most mechanically advanced rain shower head in this list, and the engineering behind its pressure performance is worth understanding before comparing it to standard rainfall heads. Most fixed rain shower heads rely entirely on incoming water supply pressure to determine output strength. In homes with standard municipal pressure of 60 pounds per square inch, that produces adequate flow. But in older buildings, upper floor apartments, or rural homes where supply pressure falls below 40 pounds per square inch, a standard rainfall head produces a weak, unsatisfying trickle across its wide face. The Moen immersion technology addresses that directly, as internal channels within the 8-inch head redistribute incoming water using a self-pressurizing geometry that concentrates and accelerates flow before it exits the nozzles. Moen's own testing places the output force at 3 times that of a standard rainfall head at identical supply pressure. That means this head delivers noticeably stronger performance in low-pressure homes where other rain heads disappoint. The 2-function side lever switches between a wide rainfall rinse and a concentrated center spray without adjusting the valve. That secondary setting is useful for rinsing hair thoroughly, something a pure rainfall pattern does less efficiently than a focused stream. Available in chrome, brushed nickel, brushed gold, and oil-rubbed bronze, 4 finish options that cover the most common bathroom hardware styles. Backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty, which covers the head against defects for the life of the product. For a homeowner investing in a bathroom upgrade they want to last, the Moen Velocity is the most complete premium option in this list. 3. AquaDance 7-inch Premium. The AquaDance combo system is the only product in this list that allows simultaneous use of a fixed rain head and a handheld unit. And for families with varying shower preferences, that flexibility is the defining practical advantage. The 3-way diverter valve at the core of this system offers 3 operating modes: rain head only, handheld only, or both running at the same time. Most combo systems offer the first 2 modes, but not the third. Running both simultaneously means one person can rinse under the rainfall head while directing the handheld to wash a specific area, a combination that reduces total shower time and water use compared to switching between modes repeatedly. The fixed head is 7 inches in diameter, delivering wide rain-style coverage across the shoulders and upper body. The handheld unit offers 6 spray settings: rainfall, massage, mist, power mist, pause, and a combination mode, covering the full range of practical preferences without complexity. The 5-foot stainless steel hose is long enough to reach a seated position in a standard shower, which makes this system practical for elderly users, post-surgery recovery, or bathing young children. Installation requires no tools and fits all standard half-inch shower connections. As the chrome finish is compatible with most standard bathroom hardware. Tested and recommended by both CNN_ and Review.com, the AquaDance has maintained bestseller status on Amazon for several years, a reliable indicator of consistent real-world performance across a wide range of home plumbing setups. 4. NearMoon 12-inch. The NearMoon 12-inch head is the largest face option in this list, and for anyone who has used a standard 6-inch Rainfall head and found the coverage too narrow, the difference a 12-inch face makes is immediately noticeable. A 6-inch Rain head covers roughly the width of one shoulder. A 12-inch head covers the full width of both shoulders simultaneously, providing genuine full-body rainfall coverage rather than a concentrated center stream on a wide face. That broader distribution is what the rain shower experience is designed to deliver, and the larger diameter achieves it more completely than smaller heads at the same supply pressure. The body is 100% solid stainless steel, not plastic with a chrome coating, which is the construction standard for most consumer shower heads at this price point. Stainless steel does not develop hairline cracks at the thread joint over years of thermal cycling, and the PVD multilayer chrome plating resists corrosion and surface wear more effectively than standard electroplated finishes. The air intake pressure mechanism draws ambient air into the water stream before it exits the nozzles, which increases the perceived volume and coverage of each droplet. In homes where supply pressure is below average, this mechanism compensates for some of the pressure lost across the wider face, a practical engineering solution to the core challenge of large face rainfall heads. Compatible with both wall mount and ceiling mount shower arms, which gives more installation flexibility than most fixed heads. For any household prioritizing wide, immersive water coverage over adjustable settings, the NearMoon 12-inch is the most purpose-built option in this list. 5. Wassa High Pressure. The Wassa 3-inch shower head holds a 4.8-star average from over 11,000 verified Amazon reviews, the highest average rating of any product in this list, and it earned that score by solving one specific problem very well. Delivering strong, consistent water pressure at a budget price. At 3 inches in diameter, this is the most compact head in the list. As it does not deliver the wide body coverage of the NearMoon or SparkPod, what it delivers instead is a concentrated, high-pressure rainfall-style stream, a tighter pattern with noticeably stronger force per square inch than wider heads at the same supply pressure. CNN independently tested this unit in 2026 and confirmed the output as intense and direct, describing the stream as performing well above expectations for its price point. That external validation matters because pressure claims are among the most commonly overstated features in consumer showerhead marketing. An independent test confirming the claim adds meaningful credibility. The 45 self-cleaning silicone jets resist limescale buildup in hard water areas. A brass swivel ball joint allows full directional adjustment without tools, so the stream can be aimed precisely rather than fixed at a single angle. The removable flow restrictor allows operation at full 2.5 gallons per minute. Teflon tape is included for installation, which takes under 2 minutes on any standard half-inch shower arm. For a rental property bathroom, a secondary shower, or any situation where reliable pressure performance is needed, at the lowest price in this list, the Wassa delivers results that its review score consistently supports.